Have you ever wondered if it's possible to heal yourself permanently and effortlessly? What if I told you that there's a way to achieve guaranteed results with simple, accessible methods? Today, we'll dive into the remarkable world of Louise Hay, a pioneer in the field of self-healing and positive affirmations. Her work has transformed countless lives, and her techniques promise not just temporary relief, but lasting, permanent healing. Louise Hay's journey into healing began with her own personal struggles. Diagnosed with an incurable illness, she was determined not to accept this fate. Through her perseverance, she discovered the incredible power of the mind-body connection, leading her to develop methods that could heal not only her body, but also her mind and spirit. Her story is a testament to the belief that we all have the power to heal ourselves from within. One of the core principles of Louise Hay's philosophy is the use of positive affirmations. These are simple, positive statements that you repeat to yourself, which help to shift your mindset and reprogram your subconscious mind. Louise believed that by changing our thoughts, we could change our lives. For example, instead of thinking, "I am sick," you might say, "I am healthy and strong." These affirmations, when practiced consistently, can lead to profound changes in your health and overall well-being. But affirmations are just one part of Louise Hay's approach. She emphasized the importance of self-love and forgiveness. According to her, many of our physical ailments are rooted in emotional pain and unresolved issues. By learning to love ourselves unconditionally and forgiving those who have hurt us, we can release the negative energy that keeps us from healing. This process might sound challenging, but Louise provided practical steps to make it manageable for everyone. Louise Hay also taught the significance of the mind-body connection. She believed that our thoughts and emotions directly impact our physical health. Negative emotions like anger, fear, and resentment can manifest as physical ailments if not addressed. Conversely, positive emotions and thoughts can promote healing and well-being. By becoming aware of this connection, we can take control of our health in a holistic way. What makes Louise Hay's method so appealing is their simplicity and accessibility. You don't need any special equipment or extensive training to start. All it takes is a willingness to change your thoughts and habits. Her techniques can be practiced anywhere, anytime, making them perfect for even the busiest of lifestyles. This ease of practice is one of the reasons why so many people have found success with her methods. Furthermore, Louise Hay's teachings are backed by countless testimonials from people who have experienced dramatic transformations. These real-life success stories serve as powerful motivators and proof that her methods work. People have reported healing from chronic illnesses, overcoming deep-seated emotional traumas, and experiencing overall better health and happiness. In conclusion, Louise Hay's promise of guaranteed permanent healing might sound too good to be true, but it is grounded in simple yet powerful principles. By using positive affirmations, practicing self-love and forgiveness, and recognizing the mind-body connection, you can begin your journey toward lasting health and happiness. Remember, the power to heal is within you. Embrace these methods and witness the remarkable changes they can bring to your life. If you're ready to take the first step, start with a single affirmation today and watch as your life begins to transform. Louise Hay's journey is a story of remarkable resilience and transformation. Faced with a challenging diagnosis, Louise refused to accept a grim prognosis and instead embarked on a quest for healing. Her journey was not an easy one. She confronted deep-seated emotional wounds and limiting beliefs that had plagued her for years. Through perseverance and a steadfast belief in the power of the mind, Louise discovered that healing begins from within. Her personal battles became the foundation of her healing methods, inspiring countless others to take control of their own health. The core principles of Louise Hay's healing philosophy revolve around the concepts of self-love, positive affirmations, and the mind-body connection. Louise believed that to heal physically, one must first address the emotional and mental roots of illness. Self-love is paramount in this process. By learning to truly love and accept ourselves, we pave the way for profound healing. Positive affirmations are another cornerstone of her philosophy. These simple yet powerful statements help reprogram our subconscious mind, shifting our thoughts from negative to positive. The mind-body connection is the third vital element, emphasizing that our thoughts and emotions directly impact our physical health. By understanding and harnessing this connection, we can create a healthier, more balanced life. Positive affirmations are a powerful tool in Louise Hay's healing arsenal. These affirmations are simple, positive statements that we repeat to ourselves to change our mindset and outlook on life. For example, saying, "I am healthy and vibrant," can help shift your focus from illness to wellness. Incorporating affirmations into daily life is easy and can be done at any time, in the morning, before bed, or even throughout the day. The key is consistency and truly believing in the words you are saying. Over time, these affirmations can lead to profound changes in both mental and physical health. Self-love is a fundamental aspect of Louise Hay's healing method. To truly heal, one must learn to love and accept themselves unconditionally. This can be challenging, especially if you have spent years being critical of yourself. Practical steps to cultivate self-love include positive self-talk, setting healthy boundaries, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. Real-life examples of self-love practices might include taking time for a relaxing bath, saying kind things to yourself, or pursuing a hobby you are passionate about. These small acts of self-love accumulate over time, fostering a deep sense of self-worth and well-being. The mind-body connection is a crucial concept in understanding how our thoughts and emotions affect our physical health. Louise Hay taught that negative emotions like anger, fear, and resentment can manifest as physical ailments if left unchecked. Conversely, positive thoughts and emotions can promote healing and overall well-being. Strengthening the mind-body connection involves practices like mindfulness, meditation, and positive affirmations. By becoming more aware of our thoughts and emotions, we can take proactive steps to improve our physical health. Louise Hay's personal healing techniques are both simple and effective. She utilized a combination of positive affirmations, visualization, and emotional healing practices to overcome her own health challenges. A step-by-step guide to practicing these techniques might include starting with daily affirmations, incorporating visualization exercises where you imagine yourself in perfect health, and addressing any unresolved emotional issues through forgiveness and self-love. The benefits of these practices are numerous, including improved mental clarity, reduced stress, and enhanced physical health. Forgiveness plays a pivotal role in Louise Hay's healing philosophy. Holding on to anger and resentment can create emotional and physical blockages, hindering the healing process. Practical steps to forgive oneself and others include acknowledging the hurt, understanding the root cause, and choosing to let go of the negative emotions associated with it. Real-life stories of healing through forgiveness highlight the transformative power of this practice, showing how letting go can lead to emotional freedom and physical well-being. Healing through nutrition is another important aspect of Louise Hay's approach. She believed that what we eat has a direct impact on our health. Nutritional practices recommended by Louise include eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole foods while avoiding processed and sugary foods. Tips for a healing diet might include incorporating more leafy greens, drinking plenty of water, and being mindful of portion sizes. By nourishing our bodies with wholesome foods, we support our overall health and enhance the healing process. Visualization techniques are a powerful tool for healing. By vividly imagining ourselves in perfect health, we can create a mental blueprint that our body can follow. A step-by-step guide to effective visualization might involve finding a quiet space, closing your eyes, and picturing yourself in a state of complete wellness. Benefits of visualization include
reduced stress, increased a stronger mind-body connection, all of which contribute to the healing process.
Emotional healing is crucial for overall well-being. Unresolved emotional wounds can manifest as physical symptoms, making it essential to address these issues. Techniques for emotional healing include journaling, talking to a trusted friend or therapist, and practicing mindfulness. Real-life examples of emotional recovery show how addressing and processing past traumas can lead to significant improvements in both mental and physical health. Overcoming limiting beliefs is key to unlocking our full healing potential. Common limiting beliefs might include thoughts like, "I can't heal," or "I'm not worthy of being healthy." Methods to overcome and replace these beliefs include positive affirmations, visualization, and challenging negative thoughts with evidence to the contrary. Success stories of people who changed their beliefs highlight the power of the mind in shaping our reality, demonstrating that with the right mindset, anything is possible. Creating a daily healing routine is essential for consistent progress. Examples of morning and evening routines might include starting the day with affirmations and a healthy breakfast, and ending the day with meditation and gratitude journaling. Consistency is key. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you create a solid foundation for ongoing healing. Meditation is a powerful tool in Louise Hay's method. The benefits of meditation include reduced stress, improved mental clarity, and enhanced emotional well-being. Simple meditation techniques for beginners might include focusing on your breath, repeating a calming word or phrase, or guided meditation. A guided meditation example could involve visualizing a peaceful place and allowing your mind to relax and heal. Affirmations can be tailored to specific health issues for targeted healing. Examples of affirmations for various ailments might include, "My heart is healthy and strong" for heart health, or "My immune system is powerful and effective" for general wellness. By creating targeted affirmations, you can address specific health concerns and enhance the healing process. Creating a healing environment is crucial for sustained progress. Tips for creating a healing space at home might include decluttering, adding plants for a calming atmosphere, and surrounding yourself with positive reminders and affirmations. The role of community support in the healing journey is also significant. Having a supportive network can provide encouragement and accountability. Addressing skepticism is important in understanding Louise Hay's methods. Common doubts about self-healing might include questions about its effectiveness or scientific backing. Evidence and scientific studies supporting the mind-body connection and the power of positive thinking can help alleviate these doubts. Encouraging open-mindedness and a willingness to experiment with these methods can lead to surprising and positive results. Maintaining long-term healing requires continuous self-work and growth. Strategies for sustaining healing include regular self-assessment, staying committed to your daily routines, and seeking new ways to support your health. Tips for staying motivated and committed might include setting small, achievable goals, celebrating progress, and staying connected with a supportive community. By remaining dedicated to your healing journey, you can ensure lasting health and happiness. As we come to the end of our exploration into the powerful healing methods of Louise Hay, let's take a moment to recap the key points we've discussed. Louise Hay's journey from a challenging diagnosis to remarkable self-healing is a testament to the incredible potential we all have within us. Her methods, rooted in the power of positive affirmations, self-love, and understanding the mind-body connection, offer a simple yet profoundly effective approach to achieving permanent healing. We began by looking at Louise Hay's personal healing journey, which was not just a path to physical health, but also a deep emotional and spiritual transformation. She faced significant challenges, from battling an illness to overcoming deep-seated emotional wounds. Through it all, she discovered that true healing starts from within, and this realization became the foundation for her healing philosophy. Central to Louise Hay's approach are positive affirmations. These are not just feel-good phrases. They are powerful tools that can reprogram our subconscious mind and shift our thinking from negative to positive. By consistently practicing affirmations like, I am healthy and vibrant, we can transform our mindset and consequently our physical health. We also delved into the importance of self-love. Louise Hay taught that to heal our bodies, we must first learn to love and accept ourselves completely. This might seem daunting, but with practical steps like positive self-talk, setting boundaries, and engaging in activities that bring us joy, self-love becomes achievable. Real-life examples of self-love practices show how small, consistent actions can build a strong foundation for healing. The mind-body connection is another critical aspect of Louise Hay's philosophy. Our thoughts and emotions directly impact our physical health, meaning that by nurturing positive emotions and addressing negative ones, we can influence our overall well-being. Techniques like mindfulness, meditation, and visualization help strengthen this connection, providing us with tools to take control of our health. Forgiveness is another powerful element in the healing process. Holding on to anger and resentment can create emotional and physical blockages. By practicing forgiveness, we can release these negative emotions and open the door to healing. Louise Hay's methods provide practical steps to forgive ourselves and others, fostering emotional freedom and well-being. Nutrition also plays a vital role in Louise Hay's approach. By nourishing our bodies with healthy, wholesome foods, we support our overall health and enhance our healing process. Simple dietary changes, like incorporating more fruits and vegetables and avoiding processed foods, can make a significant difference in how we feel. Visualization techniques offer another powerful tool for healing. By imagining ourselves in perfect health, we create a mental blueprint that our bodies can follow. This practice, combined with other techniques like affirmations and meditation, can lead to profound changes in our health and well-being. Throughout our discussion, we've seen how these methods are not only effective, but also accessible. You don't need any special equipment or extensive training to start. All it takes is a willingness to change your thoughts and habits. The simplicity and accessibility of Louise Hay's techniques make them perfect for anyone, regardless of their lifestyle or background. As we conclude, I encourage you to start your own healing journey with Louise Hay's methods. Begin with small steps like practicing daily affirmations or setting aside time for meditation. Remember, the power to heal is within you. By embracing these techniques, you can transform your life and achieve lasting health and happiness. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us reach more people and spread the message of self-healing and empowerment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on healing, wellness, and personal growth. Together, we can create a community of individuals committed to living healthier, happier lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, you have the power to heal yourself. Start today and watch as your life begins to transform in ways you never thought possible.